Hello YouTube, and welcome to my first tutorial on how to build a piston door with redstone circuits. This is Chicken Hunter's first grand opening, well, only grand opening, and I'll be showing you the RS NOR Latch with a 2-piston door. This is a voiceover, so it'll be a little weird, like not tuned to the video a bit. I'm gonna try and fix that. As you can see, my door I have there, that's the close button. I thought it was the open for a second. Open! Close. Open. Close. Each side has these two set of buttons. That's what the RS NOR Latch does. Allows you to have different open and closing buttons. And then here's a unique feature, my lock. I came up with it a little bit ago. You can spam the open button, you can spam the close button, you can spam any button you like. Nothing's gonna happen at all, ever. Until you flip the lock button again, and then everything works just as normally. Now, I will be showing you the wiring. This is an exaggeration. Before you close it, before you shut off this video, like, whoa, that's way too much for me. All this stuff is here is an exaggeration. This is the RS NOR Latch. Do you have? I exaggerated it so you can plainly see every single piece that's going on here. That's my lock system. It's really cool. So you can see distinct lines really clearly instead of having to guess which line is which. Now I'm going to be building it for you. Funny thing is, I never used the blue or red wool. So, this is not a follow-along. You will not have to be, well, okay, my bad. It's not a tutorial, it's a follow-along. You do not have to do every single thing this says. Like, just put the buttons wherever you want, the wiring wherever you want. It all will work. But you're gonna start building a tunnel, basically, a roofless tunnel, to place your buttons and piston on. Sorry for any video lag that you might have. Yeah. I'm building a top to this just to make it look cooler. Yes, by the way, I am using a laptop, so I can't really move the mouse and keyboard at the exact same time. It won't let me. I have a mouse, but I can't find it right now, so I'm not really using it. But once I find it, my other videos should be much better, much more fluid and stuff. Now you're gonna start building your RS NOR Latch. Just watch how I do it here. It's not that hard to do. Like, I've seen a ton of really complex circuits, like those people that have way too much time and they build computers. Like, that takes way too freaking long. I would never have the patience to do that. There, you will want a repeater there. Or, no wait, you're going to want it farther back, because you need room for your lock and your inverter. Because with every single lock, there has to be an inverter. If you do not have an inverter, then every time you're going to hit the lock, the door is going to stay open. And you can spam the buttons and it's not going to close. It's not cool. So as long as you put the inverter there, it'll stay closed. Now you can group all the buttons into one button. You can, well, you're gonna have to have 2 buttons. You're gonna have to have 2 buttons. Sorry, it's getting nighttime. I'm gonna keep working, just to show you how it's done, cause you can obviously see I'm using Bandicam. It only has like 10 minutes, so I just patched 2 videos together really quickly. And this is the video overlay for them. Now you're just gonna stretch your redstone line. Sorry if you cannot see it, or it could just be my screen where I can't see it. So you're just gonna stretch your redstone line to one of the buttons. And actually right there, I paused the recording, so I had to do something, and I came back and there was like a lightning strike really close to me. So that's what I went out to look, see if there were still the remaining fires. Now, I don't exactly remember which one this is. I don't remember if this is the open or close. Okay, that's the open button. This is the closed button. Just bear with me, I'm kind of moving slow. It's a laptop. Once I get a mouse, I'll be able to move faster. And like hook up to a faster keyboard. Because like I'd hit the button, then it'd move my guy. It's kind of annoying. Alright, now I'm just trying to see if I can save some redstone. Which actually, in a little bit, that's not the greatest idea to place that thing right there. But I'm actually only gonna make 2. I'm only making 2 buttons to show you because I'm running out of time. Plus 4 buttons is still kind of long. It's really simple. All 4 buttons, I'm just gonna keep talking while the video is playing. All you have to do for 4 buttons is just take the redstone line that you can see, well, you could see on your left just a little bit ago. Take that redstone line and extend it out, branch it off with, and put another button. So just like make a little arch out of stone and run redstone all the way across and put a button on the other side. And then you'll have 2 buttons that do the exact same thing. As you can see, that part I messed up on, because now you're going to be building your you're going to be building your lock, not latch. The lock is really simple. All you need is a sticky piston, redstone, and a block. And place a sticky piston 2 blocks away from the hole that you made. Place a block there, so it'll be pushing a block. Then you'll be sticking a line of redstone. So that's why I had to move the other things, otherwise it would have gotten really big and stuff. Gotten really complicated, let's say that, if I had accidentally mixed those 2 wires. I was just looking around for lightning strikes there. I'm kind of sorry if this video is boring right now, because it's just me building stuff, but the concept is really cool. My lock is really nice. Also, Also, if you do not know what RS NOR Latch did or how it worked or anything, so does it. And there I actually had to switch recordings because my time limit had exceeded. So I'm just meshed these two videos together. And that's the principle. This, what you're seeing right now, is the principle of the lock. It pushes the block in front of the redstone line, cutting it. But if you look here, the redstone dust down there still is unaffected. So, and that's why you need an inverter. Otherwise, it's just gonna be zilch, and the thing's just gonna stay there for forever. Or stay open for forever, not stay there. It's obviously staying there for forever unless you move it. And as you can see, the circuit's complete. So yeah, that's actually just my basic tutorial on RS NOR latches, piston doors, and my awesome lock. Well, the lock's now become kind of the feature of this thing. But that's how you stick a RS NOR latch to a piston door. And next tutorial should be a T flip-flop. Those are like my favorite latches of all time. If you have a latch or circuit that you want to see me do, send it in messages, so I'll do it. This is Chickens Hunter with his first tutorial, signing out.